Welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, we are going to talk about Ethereum, what I plan on doing, am I selling, what is my Ethereum strategy. Also, we are going to talk about a coin that I recently invested in. It pretty much rug pulled and I lost my entire investment. Also, we are going to talk about the Coinbase IPO and how I will be buying into this IPO. And then at the end of this video, I will let you know my thoughts on the prices of Bitcoin and where I think it's headed. So before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let's jump right into the video. So now we are on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, Ethereum is hitting all-time highs. We are at $2,148 and still climbing. We are up just over 1% on the day. So when we scroll down to look at the Ethereum chart, you will see that this bull run, we are breaking all-time highs on Ethereum. Compared to 2018, where we had this massive run and then a pullback that lasted a couple of years, now Ethereum is finally breaking out. So the Coinbase IPO is pretty much putting life into the crypto space, and now we are on an upward trend. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you will know that I have Ethereum, but it is on Robinhood, and we all know that is not like the real Ethereum. You cannot withdraw Ethereum from Robinhood, you cannot deposit. That goes with all the coins that are on there like Bitcoin, Dogecoin. So my plan right now is to hold on to my Ethereum as long as possible. Also, I have been reading a ton of articles about Robinhood and how they're probably going to let people withdraw the crypto. But in my opinion, that is months and months away, if not even years. But if Ethereum maintains this upward trend or levels off, then I feel comfortable holding Ethereum until this happens. I do not want to sell it on Robinhood and then have to buy it back on another exchange and then have to pay a ton of fees in the process. I'm hoping that sometime this year, Robinhood does a major crypto update and allow us to withdraw our cryptocurrency from Robinhood. And now let's talk about how I lost my entire investment in a meme coin. We all know Dogecoin is like the king of meme coins. It doesn't have any utility, any value, but it has been pumping this bull run. Also, we have seen a ton of other meme coins pop up and have massive gains. Like SafeMoon, it went up over 400,000%. A lot of people that got in made a ton of money. But normally I stay away from all the meme coins and I only invest in good solid projects like Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain, and a ton of other ones that have been around for a very long time. So without doing too much research, I deposited some money, bought some of this coin, and I was like, I'm gonna set it, forget it, come back a month or two later and see how much money I made. So this morning I wake up and I have a ton of comments, people saying, yo, the website is gone, the coin vanished, all of this stuff. I looked at the chart, it was straight red down, and then I looked at my investment and it was pretty much worthless. So this was definitely a learning experience that I paid for. And from now on, I will not be buying any more meme coins. I'm gonna stick with the basics. I'm gonna stick with solid, good projects that have been around for a very, very long time. And now let's talk about this Coinbase IPO and how I plan on buying. I will tell you my entire strategy. This will not be my first time buying an IPO. Last year when AirBNB, they released their IPO, I was on my YouTube channel going live and the whole audience, we was pretty much buying Airbnb live when the IPO came out. And initially when we bought, it did a little pump. But then, as the day went on, it just started dumping. And then for an entire month, maybe month and a half, the price kept dropping lower and lower. And I'm like, I'm never going to buy another IPO again. And then a couple months later, Airbnb started recovering, and then we was in the green making some money. So for this IPO on Coinbase, I believe the hype, the buzz is going to be extremely huge. And a lot of people are going to be participating in this IPO. So in my opinion, it will be a 50-50 chance on the Coinbase IPO. It might pump and it might dump. But personally, the way I want to play it, I will definitely be watching the Coinbase IPO when it goes live. But being completely honest, I will not be buying the Coinbase IPO on day one. I will probably end up waiting a couple of weeks for the price to stabilize or correct down, and then I will use my funds to buy into the Coinbase IPO. Personally, I definitely want to have some Coinbase in my long-term portfolio. I believe Coinbase is going to be the industry leader in the crypto space, especially now that cryptocurrencies are gaining mass adoptions all over the world. Institutions are buying, and I think Coinbase is perfectly positioned to be one of the biggest winners in this space. So I will definitely be buying some Coinbase stock in the future. And now let's talk about where I think the price of Bitcoin will go from this point on. In my personal opinion, that depends heavily on how this Coinbase IPO performs. I believe in the next couple of days, the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum is going to continue to climb because all the people are getting excited about the Coinbase IPO. But on April 14th, when Coinbase goes public, that day will be very, very volatile in my opinion. If the IPO dumps, I believe Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're going to experience a major dump as well. But I also believe that if the Coinbase IPO is a major success, we're going to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other cryptocurrencies have massive runs in April. And April could be one of the biggest months in this bull cycle. But I believe it heavily depends on how good the Coinbase IPO performs on day one. Alright, so those are my thoughts on the price of Bitcoin. Let me know in the comment section below, will you be buying the Coinbase IPO? What is your strategy going forward? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.